What if the reason you can't find the perfect partner is because you aren't ready to meet them yet? You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. So if you are one of those people that really wants to be in a relationship, but you just can't seem to find that right person, the right one, the right soul, then this video is for you. So this is from the back of something that I heard and I loved it. It absolutely resonated with me so much. And so what you have to do is get out a pen and paper and write down all the qualities that you want in your perfect partner. Okay, so if they were caring, compassionate, healthy, they looked after their body and they were exercising every day, if they were close with their family, if they were good and helping out in their community, whatever qualities it is, write them all down. Not physical qualities, just mental, emotional, spiritual ones, like what qualities like that add to the person, to the character that is in your perfect mate, or you feel would be in your perfect mate. And once you've written them all down, keep that list by your bed, okay? And every day have a look at that list and make sure that you are everything that is on that list. Because I'm sure you've heard of like attracts like, or the law of attraction. This is, we will attract to us where we are vibrating and what we are like. And the simplest way is, you can't see energy, but everything is energy. I mean, it's basic quantum physics. Everything's energy, everything's vibrating. And if you have a tuning fork at a particular hertz and you hit it, you can have two separate tuning forks next to it. And if one of them is the same hertz, it will also vibrate. The other one will not. And this is why when we vibrate, when we're at a certain frequency and we're vibrating at that, the right person that's also matching that will naturally be attracted to one another. And so that's why you have your list, but you need to first make sure you are everything on that list. And I promise you, when you are everything on that list and you are the perfect partner that you would want in somebody else, you will find them. You don't literally, they will end up on your doorstep. You wouldn't even have to go on any, dating apps or speed dating or anything at all like that. You will just naturally be drawn to one another. Supermarket, taxi, shopping, so many ways it can happen. And you just have to trust in that. I mean, what did I see the other day is, if you look back at all your exes, you can see your journey of your mental health and where you've been at. And if you notice that they probably get better and better, well, that's if you're growing, then you're getting better. So you're attracting where you're at. So if you want the very best of what you believe or you feel is the perfect one, you get there. Anyway, share in the comments, maybe this has already happened to you. Maybe you've already got there and attracted that mate. Or maybe you didn't have that conscious awareness that was what you was doing, but you attracted that person. And just bear in mind also, we will always attract the people that if we have any healing, they will be the perfect person to also show us that mirror of where we still need to heal. Anyway, gonna leave it here. So much love and blessings. Bye.